Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 15, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. 5th grade. 5 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 6 and 7, 9. Column F. We have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in any other two cells. 5th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 9. 7th row, we have 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in any other two cells. 5th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. In 9th grade, 7th row and 2nd row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 5th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 3 and 4, so 3 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in any other two cells, we will confirm later. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in any other two cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. It will come in another cells, we will confirm later. 7th row and 1st grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. 9th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in any other two cells. 9th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Tenth row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6, 8. 8th row and 9th row, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. Column D, 7th grade, we have 6 and 8. The two number can't come in this cell. It will come in other two cells. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in other two cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come 3 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 3. Column F, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come to this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. Column F, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. Second grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another two cells. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6 is here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.